Stop trying to write the perfect prompt. Prompting is a temporary bridge, a crutch for a technology that isn't fully autonomous yet. The future isn't a conversation. It's not a chat window. It's an autonomous workflow that executes complex goals while you sleep. I've spent the last year dissecting the shift from LLMs to agentic frameworks. While most people are still arguing about which model is smarter, the real capital is moving toward systems that don't just talk, they act. By 2026, the chatbot as we know it will be a relic. Today, we're moving beyond the chat box. I'm breaking down the 5 tool categories that will dominate the AI landscape by 2026 and exactly how to position your workflow now to stay ahead of the curve. If you're a founder, a VC, or an automation nerd, this is your blueprint for the agentic era. Right now, you're probably obsessed with the perfect prompt. You spend 30 minutes tweaking adjectives just to get a usable output. That's not productivity. That's just a new kind of digital chore. Here is the cold truth. Chatbots are passive. They sit there, waiting for you to tell them exactly what to do, how to do it, and where to put the result. You are still the glue. You copy from the AI, paste into a CRM, trigger a zap, and then manually check for errors. We haven't actually automated the work. We've just replaced typing a document with managing a chatbot. If you're a VC or a founder, you know the bottleneck isn't the LLM's intelligence. It's the human in the loop. We are the friction. As long as the AI requires a prompt to act, it's just a fancy typewriter. The prompt engineer is already becoming a legacy role because the real value isn't in a better answer. It's in an executed outcome. And if you're still focusing on the chat box, you're missing the shift. Here is the reality. Prompting is a bottleneck. We've spent the last 2 years learning how to whisper to the machine to get the right output. But by 2026, that skill will be obsolete. Because we are shifting from chatbots to agentic workflows. A chatbot is a vending machine. You put in a prompt, you get a response. An AI agent is an employee. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps to achieve it. If you're a VC or a founder, this is where the real alpha is. The winners won't be the ones with the best prompts. They'll be the ones with the best systems. To prepare for 2026, you need to track these 5 tool categories that will dominate the landscape. First, orchestration layers. We're talking about the evolution of Make.com and Zapier. Right now, these tools move data. By 2026, they will move decisions. Instead of if this, then that, it will be if the goal is X, determine the best path and execute. This is the nervous system of the autonomous enterprise. Second, deep research agents. Stop asking AI to summarize this article. The next generation of agents won't just summarize, they will synthesize. They will hunt for market gaps, track competitor pricing in real time, and deliver a finished investment memo while you sleep. Third, execution engines. This is where Lang chain-based agents move from prototypes to production. We are moving from write me a Python script to build and deploy this feature. These tools will have their own sandboxes to test, fail, and iterate until the job is done. No human intervention required. Fourth, persistent memory vaults. Current AI has a context window it eventually forgets. The 2026 stack will feature long-term, evolving memory. Your AI won't just know your brand guidelines. It will remember the nuance of every decision you've made over the last 3 years. It becomes a digital twin of your professional judgment. Finally, the agent mesh. This is the end game. Your research agent finds a lead. It triggers your outreach agent to draft a personalized pitch. That agent coordinates with your calendar agent to book the meeting. You are no longer the operator. You are the architect. The era of the chat box is over. The era of the autonomous workforce has begun. Now you can wait for 2026, or you can build these workflows today. Most people use AI as a chat box. The pros use it as an engine. That's where tools like Make.com and Zapier come in. They are the nervous system for your AI agents. If you're a developer or building something custom, LangChain is the gold standard for creating that agentic logic. The result? You stop spending hours tweaking prompts and start managing outcomes. You move from being a prompter to an orchestrator. I've linked the exact tools I use to build these autonomous systems in the description below. If you want to stay ahead of the agentic curve before the mass market catches up, hit subscribe. Don't just use AI. Orchestrate it.